In this lesson, I will discuss how to rewrite and use formula for area. A formula is an equation that shows how one variable is related to one or more other variables, and a formula is a type of a literal equation. So let us consider an example. The formula for the surface area is S, or the surface area S of a rectangular prism, similar to the figure shown, is S equals 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times W times height, or width times height. So we are asked to solve the formula for the length L. That means L should be isolated in one side of the equation. The given equation shows that the variable L is present in two terms. So we need to isolate our L using the distributive property. In order to isolate L from 2 times L times W, or 2LW, we need to divide L from that term. And the remaining coefficients are 2W. And then from 2, L length times height, we divide this also by L. So L divided by L is 1 times 2 times height is 2 times height. And we still have the other term, 2 times width times height. Now we only want L in one side, so we can eliminate 2 times W times H by subtraction. So whatever we do in one side of the equation, the same should be done in the other side. So we bring down our negative 2 times WH, we bring down S. Since it is positive, then it is better to just put our S before the negative term. Okay, we bring down L times 2W plus 2H. 2WH minus 2WH is equal to 0. Again, we only want L, so we have to eliminate the quantity 2W plus 2H by division. So we divide both sides of the equation by the quantity 2W plus 2H. So the left side now becomes S minus 2WH all over 2W plus 2H. And we can cancel the expression 2W plus 2H on the other side of the equation because the quotient is equal to 1. And then we multiply that quotient by L, and the result is L. When we are writing a formula, we usually write the variable that we are solving for on the left side of the equation. So the final equation is now L equals S minus 2WH all over 2W plus 2H. So this is the formula that we want for this given example. For the second example, you own a rectangular lot that is 500 feet deep. In this given figure, that measurement is actually the length of the rectangular figure. It has an area of 100,000 square feet. To pay for a new water system, you are assessed $5.50 per foot of the lot frontage. In this given figure, the frontage is actually the width of the figure. So to find the frontage of your lot, you need the formula A is equal to L times W, or length times width. Since we are solving for the frontage, which is the width, we need to isolate that variable in one side of the equation. So we need to eliminate L by division. So we divide both sides of the equation by L, and the resulting equation should be A over L is equal to W, because L divided by L is 1 times W is equal to W. So the formula, therefore, in solving for the frontage is the width equals the area over the length. Now, we can use this formula to solve for the frontage of the lot. So we have A. By substitution, the area is 100,000 square feet, and then the length is 500 feet. So 100,000 divided by 500 is equal to 200. Width is a linear measure, therefore the frontage should be expressed in terms of foot. So this should be our answer for letter A. Now for a follow-up question, how much are you assessed for the new water system? So here, the cost per foot is $5.50. So the total cost should be $5.50 multiplied by the frontage, which is W. So this will now give us 5.50 times the frontage that we obtained before, which is 200. So 5.50 times 200 is 1,100. But since this is an amount that was assessed, this should be expressed in dollar. So this is the final answer for letter B.